Hi guys, welcome to IFERROR Expert again.
The Excel special of the day is the IFERROR function, a supporting formula used to eliminate error caused by other formulas. We used this function before, and in this task, we will practice more typing the formulas inside the cells. Look at the syntax on the screen. The IFERROR function is useful to eliminate errors caused by dividing numbers by 0, like in column D, or by empty cells, as not filled yet. Also, the formula mode can generate an error when there isn't a repetition of numbers in a dataset, like between cells C6 and C19. Let's start. Select C19. Go to the Formula ribbon. Select Insert Function. Type Mode. Select from cell C6 to C17 in the box and press OK to finalize the formula. We have an error because there is no mode. In cell C20 we will rewrite the formula using IFERROR. Select C20 and type equal. IFERROR, open bracket. Mode. Open bracket. Select from cell C6 to C17. Close bracket. Comma, then we type 0, which is the value we want to return in case of errors, close bracket, and enter to finalize the formula. Now we will work on the price per unit in column E, which is calculated by dividing the sales figures by the quantity of each items. As some items show 0 and error is imminent, therefore we will use the IFERROR function as a prefix. Select D6 and type equal. IFERROR, open bracket. C6 divided D6. Comma, then 0 as value IFERROR, close bracket, and enter to finalize the formula. At last, we select D6 and use the fill handle to apply the formula to all cells, and we format column E as accounting. How you can see now we don't have any more errors. There you go, practice this nested formulas until confident, because it's very important.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.